So the box is here. So I am planning on making a outdoor aviary for my birds, Melanie style, I guess. This is gonna be a gazebo tent aviary. This is not something where you can leave your birds unattended. It's gonna be more simply for when you want to spend some time with your birds outside, and so you can sit in there with them. You will see, most likely this video will be more than one part because it's gonna be a lengthy process. But I hope you follow me along, and this is gonna be fun. Okay, so the first thing we did is take out the trampoline because we don't really use it that much, and we're gonna put the tent aviary in this spot. Let this dry off because it was raining. So we need to make sure that this is dry, and we might have to put some hay down or something like that. It's possible that we decide to put it somewhere else because it's too muddy, and I'm not a patient person, and I might want to put it somewhere else. Maybe over there. Sorry, my window is very dirty. Maybe over there. I don't know yet, but plan is that we're gonna put it right there. All right, so the tent comes in this bag, has wheels on it, and it should be easy setup. I guess we'll see. Guys, the day is here when I finally will put up my aviary tent. Very excited. The weather is glorious, as you can see, so we are good to go. No wind, because that's what we wanted, because we need to stake it down. So watch what we're doing.